Hi guys, so I'm going to be showing you how you can buy Telegram stars and make use of it wherever you need Telegram stars. Okay, so to get started, you can either make use of your browser or you use your 𝗠𝗘𝗦𝗦𝗧𝗏 directly. Okay, and to use your browser, you can just head on to any browser you have on your phone and type www.fragment.com, and you connect your tongue wallet from there and you proceed. But me, I use the 𝗠𝗘𝗦𝗦𝗧𝗏, and when you open your 𝗠𝗘𝗦𝗦 wallet, just head on to the browser section, then you scroll down until you see fragments as shown on the screen. Once you tap on it, you notice that you'll see some tabs, and star is one of them. So just navigate to the star section. You can show more options so that you have more options if you want. So under the first space there, just enter your Telegram username. Mine is 𝗪𝗪𝗘𝗦𝗧𝗏𝗪. Ensure to put @ in the beginning, then click on the search icon down there on your keypad. So it's going to search out your Telegram username. As you can see, mine is going to search out your Telegram account. Then you can either enter how many stars you want to buy up there, or you expand this and select anyone you want to buy. Now, before you do all of this, ensure you have tongue in your wallet, probably in your 𝗠𝗘𝗦𝗦𝗧𝗏 or your Telegram wallet, whichever one you're using. So once you have that, so select the amount you want to buy, then click on buy. All right, ensure you are connected. Ensure you connect your wallet, then click on buy, and okay, yeah, so click on it and approve the transaction. You can see I'm going to pay about $15 for 1,000 stars. So just approve the transaction, and it's just going to take a few seconds. Yeah, just wait for it, and boom, you can see stars acquired. It's as simple as that. It's not hard at all. Just ensure you have some tongue, and after purchasing, you can see Telegram will notify you. You can see my notification right there. Alright, that will be all for this guide. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and I will see you another time.